All right, guys, you guys have been asking for more fishing content, and we're gonna go out to that pond that Mason caught that huge bass the other day at, and we're just gonna see what happens. It's early in the morning, about 7:30, so we'll see what happens. Farm pond, baby. Hopefully the cows don't get us. Just kidding. We ain't afraid of no cows. All right, here we are, guys. This is it. This is the Lake of Bangers, so we'll see what we can do, but he's already caught several massive beasts out of here. If I sound out of breath, it's because I just walked like a mile and I'm out of shape. So let's get started. What are you rocking? You rocking a Whopper Popper? I'm using the Old Faithful from the other day. We'll see what happens with it. Make sure if you're just finding this channel, you make sure and drop a like, hit a subscribe on it, and let me know what you think of the content. Let's go. As you might have noticed, got me a new rod and reel here after Caster threw that thing in the pond, so. Oh. Oh, that was a blow up, dude. About took you out, bro. Don't take my fish. Look at him. As soon as I get a blow up, he's on it. It went under. I just didn't set the hook. About hooked him. Boy, that was a miss right there. I hadn't even checked the drag. That's probably why I missed him. Let's relocate. I think he's making some racket, bro. Oh, there we go. Oh, how am I not getting these fish? I'm not setting the hook. Ah, had a blow up right there. Oh, that was oh, you missed another one too? I seen that was a blow up, man. It's like amateur fishing hour. We can't catch nothing. We'll just title this video what not to do when you're fishing. Huh? All right, guys, not much biting. So switched it up with the wacky, with the chartreuse. I'm gonna give it a go over here. Man, if they don't start biting, we're gonna have to switch ponds. Whew, it is getting hot also, so. Say we give it about 5 more minutes, 10 more minutes, we go down to pawpaws. What do you think? while it's still not 1,000 degrees. It's getting there, but what? No. There's one. Finally, the dink police. Oh my gosh. Look at the size of that monster. Oh yeah, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. All right, fish number one is nothing to get excited about, dang it. So we're gonna do backflip. Well, we've been here about an hour. We've caught one fish. A couple nice blow-ups early, but you know, somehow we missed them. But you know, that's the way it goes. You get out there, you fish, and you catch the crap out of fish. Unless you turn on the camera, then as you turn on the camera, it just never works out. We're gonna give it another little while here. We're gonna run this bank, see if we can't hook into a couple more, and if we don't, we're gonna run over to my father-in-law's house where we usually do our live streams and hook a few fish. Maybe we can get lucky over there. It's still early, so we got time. But if you're just watching this video and first time seeing the channel, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you like fishing, and let's go see if we can't catch another. Guess we'll cruise this little dam here and see what's up with the edges. Still got my coffee, so we're in good shape. It's still early. I mean, he caught a monster 7-pounder here just a couple days ago. That's a good spot for the coffee, maybe. There we go. Maybe morning ain't the time to come to this pond. Oh, there we go. Blow up, got one. Oh, it looks like it. Dink police. Oh, that ain't bad. That's a good looking bass. Awesome. Hit him on the spinner bait. Just when I said that. Grab hold of that thing, bro. Show that thing who's boss. You fisherman. There you go. You the man. He ain't no giant, but oh, you don't want to go to the frying pan. Nice bass. What do you think? Pound and a half. All right. Nice fish. Good job. Hit the spinner bait. Well, get that bass thumb. All right, well, the old yeller spinner. Guys, I'm just not qualified to run a piece of machinery like this. The Corrado DC is above my skill set. I'm just not there, nor have I tried. So I did try the other day and got so bird nested that he said no more. But yeah. It's a nice rig, but he did scratch it today. He got all upset. Scratch! Got it in that spot. Oh, got one? Is he a fighter?
Yeah.
Oh my, he is fighting like crazy. Same fish? Nice little bass.
It's the same bass.
It is the same bass. What's wrong with him? He's been hooked before. It may be the same one. Is he bleeding on that side?
Yeah.
Oh, man. All right.
I can't go down there and release them, but I gotta throw them.
Yeah, you got to throw them in because we've got an absolute mega moss situation with lots of thick grass. And there are some snakeage in this around here. I've heard copperheads and cottonmouths. So, got to be smart whenever you're fishing. Put on your boots and be ready. So basically what happened there was Mason took the pole I was using that couldn't catch a fish and just caught a fish with it. Huh? Ain't that how it goes? Another one? Oh my goodness, dude. Oh, he's got that drag going. Oh, you snapped the line and drop it. Ain't gonna hurt nothing. Pull.
Better not go back.
Don't count unless you lip him. There you go. Let's see him.
I don't know where the hook and worms are.
Well, starting to pick up a little bit. Now we gotta put a new lure on. Isn't that fishing for you? Well, we went from not catching a dang thing to Mason slaying as I'm just standing here watching. Which, hey, as a dad, I don't care. I don't even care if I even catch a fish, but as long as we're having fun and enjoying what God's got for us, and that is a beautiful pond, a beautiful day, and breath in our lungs. So go out there and touch some grass today. I hope this inspires you. And if you're just getting here, make sure and hit that subscribe button if you like fishing. Oh, I had him. Pulled it out of his mouth. If you haven't checked out his channel, you can go onto my page and look. It'll be linked in my page, Mason Outdoors. Hooked Up Shorts. Check him out. He be catching those big bass. All right, guys, we didn't get skunked. We did nail some fish. He kind of beat me a little bit, but hey, that's what goes on around my place. He beats me at fishing. So we're gonna move on to father-in-law's pond. We're probably gonna take a little break, eat some lunch, chill for a little bit, and then this evening we'll go down to the pond we always live stream at, maybe catch some more fish. But thank you guys for watching, and I'm excited to see what we catch tonight. I'm sure it'll be some bangers, right? Yeah. Dinks. Hey, reeling in dinks is part of fishing. You never know what you could find, what could be hiding in that pond. I know, what was it? Our neighbor put a 4-pounder in there a couple years ago, so there's probably a couple lunkers hiding in there. We just haven't hooked him yet, but we'll see what happens. Maybe tonight's the night. If we got time, I think father-in-law said something about maybe cleaning some, catch, clean, and cook. So yeah, that could be at the end of the video. So you may want to keep watching. Love y'all, and we'll catch you later. More fishing.